Hey, welcome. Today I'm going to work on this picture, and today I want to do this slightly different. So I'm increasing the lower part of the curve, lowering the upper part of the curve, so I will not have entirely black and entirely white elements of the picture. And for things in the middle, we have a lot of blacks already, so I'm going to increase them a little, like this. And I will move a little entire picture up. So as you see, the histogram is moving up, and now I still have two more bright elements, so I'm just lowering this like that. Maybe lowering using highlights as well. Okay, like this. All right. So as you see, it's on the first slide. There's lower contrast, maybe not so nice, but this is the effect that I'm trying to achieve to get this pretty much look of old picture taken with the analog camera. So I'm lowering texture, lowering clarity. As you see, there is some haze over here. So to ensure that I have right contrast and right focus on the person and the car that is over here, I will use radial gradient. Let's try to select this area over here, and only for this area I will slightly increase the texture and clarity, but just to the level to compensate to this default level. Okay, right this. I will lower the saturation a little, and now play with some colors like this. Okay, I will add a little more contrast right now. Play with this sliders over here at the bottom. Okay, so now I want to correct the grass a little because it's too green in my opinion. So I'll go with a little to yellow, and the blue sky I want to actually be blue. So that this middle of the picture, it can be that color, but the sky I want to be blue. And as you see, we messed up with the color of the car, so we need to just select the car, we can do just the colorful part, and we'll just play with the hue to get back this color again. All right. The last thing is that I want to correct the shadows, so it won't be this violet color. So I'm selecting the mask using the luminance range, and everything that is below certain level, as you see, there is all those things. Just do some feather like this, and for this we'll just lower the saturation almost to 0, so those elements of the picture will be actually black, maybe not from the perspective of exposure, but from the perspective of the color, because we want blacks to be black without color. The same with those bright elements of the picture, like here, the cloud should be white, not with some color. That's the right way to color grade the picture. Okay, so checks before and after. As you see, the entire picture has a very different vibe. This is what we were looking for in this particular edit. Even though the original picture was pretty much awesome from the start, here we tried to give it a little more color grade and different vibe of the picture. Thanks.